Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your Kraken account securely. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Kraken website. Locate the sign in button in the top right corner of the home page. Enter your registered email address and password. Click on sign in to access your account. If prompted, check your email for a verification code sent by Kraken. Retrieve the code from your email. Enter the verification code in the required field on the Kraken site. Now, let's enable two-factor authentication for added security. Go to your account settings. Select the Security tab from the menu options. Look for the Two-Factor Authentication section. Download an authentication app, like Google Authenticator or Authy, on your mobile device. Open the authentication app and scan the QR code displayed on the Kraken website. If you cannot scan the QR code, you can enter the provided backup key manually. After scanning, the app will generate a unique verification code. Enter that code into the Kraken site to confirm the setup. Once successful, two-factor authentication will be enabled. Always ensure that your email account is secured, as it is crucial for account recovery. Consider setting up recovery codes for additional security. Finally, log out of your Kraken account when finished to ensure your information remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.